Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the Step Plus assessment. Guys, I got lots and lots of queries regarding this assessment and what it is, who will get this link to attempt, whether it is time based or not, is this assessment is mandatory to attempt, what type of question they will going to ask, etc. So through this video, I am going to clear all your doubt. So just stay tuned till the end of this video. Let's begin. So guys, Step Plus assessment is an adaptive online test that will assess your business English communication competency across four major areas, that is grammar, listening, reading and speaking. So these all are the four major areas that you will be evaluated for: grammar, listening, reading and speaking. So coming to the next question, that who will get this link to attempt. So guys, who will get onboarded will get this link to attempt this assessment after 2 to 3 days of onboarding. So you will receive an email from Global English for access this Step Plus assessment. So whether it is time based or not. So yes, it is time based. You will be given 52 minutes to attempt this assessment, and guys, remember that it is organized by LearnShip on the behalf of Cognizant. So what type of question they will going to ask? But before that, I would like to tell you that this assessment is mandatory to attempt. Guys, actually it is organized by Cognizant, so your performance will be monitored for your graduation during the training period. So it must be attempted in focused manner. So now, what type of question they will going to ask? For that, I will show you the test result of one guy who had completed this assessment before. So see this, here LearnShip is mentioned. Actually this assessment is organized on LearnShip platform. For that you will receive an email from Global English in which there is link to access this assessment. So after completing this assessment you will get your performance result. So here your name along with your Cognizant email ID is mentioned, and here your date on which you had completed this assessment is mentioned. So based on your performance you will receive your performance result after 24 hours of completing this assessment, in which your level as well as your score point is mentioned. See here, this guy, based on their performance and score point, that places him in the level 5 category. Here see that this guy had scored 761 out of total 1581 points. So based on your performance you will receive some score, and according to that you will have assigned some level. There's one thing to remember here is that level 10 is the best and level 1 is the worst. Thus according to your score point, your level will vary from level 1 to level 10. Now let's move to the query part, that is what type of question they will going to ask. As I had already mentioned earlier that you will be evaluated on four major areas, that is grammar, listening, reading and speaking. Thus in this assessment you will have total 4 sections, that is grammar, listening, reading and speaking. Let's dive one by one into them. So in grammar section you will have total of 26 MCQ based questions that to be completed in 16 minutes. Generally the questions are asked from adverbs, verbs, connectors, modals, reported speech, conditional sentences, gerunds and infinitives. So there are total of 26 questions, that is MCQ based question, and you will have 4 options, and in which one option is correct. You have to select that option. After that you will move to the listening section. So in listening section there are total of 16 questions that to be completed in 15 minutes, and it is also MCQ based questions. Those 16 questions are divided into 3 subsections, that is describing pictures, understanding questions and short conversations. In describing pictures, you had shown some pictures and you will be provided some AI pre-recorded voice options. So you have to click on play button and listen the options carefully, and after that you have to choose the correct options that you perceived from the picture and listen the options carefully. So suppose let us take an example to showcase this describing pictures questions, how you will get that. Let us suppose I'm drawing some pictures. Let us take graph pictures. So here some picture is shown, and in that suppose I am taking graph picture, and below this picture you will have play button, and you have to, and the option is like this: 1 2 3 and 4, and there is nothing written after this option, just 1 2 3 and 4, and you have to click on play button and listen the options carefully. There are total 4 options, and you have to listen those options carefully, and according to this picture that you have perceived, you have to choose that correct option. Suppose here it is suppose here the correct option is third. After listening, suppose you will get that the picture is all about graph and it is the third option, then you have to click on this third options. So in this way you will get all other questions in describing pictures. And now coming to the understanding question section, it is same, but only the difference is that here there is no mention figure, only play button is there, and you have to click on play button, and there are some questions is there, and you have provided some option, but in this case you have given some written options, and you have to click on this play button and listen the questions carefully, and answers are in the options, so you have to choose that correct answer in these options. And suppose in this case the correct answer is option second, so you have to click on option second. So in this way understanding questions are also completed. So now coming to the short conversations, and here all this, and in short conversation you will be given some AI pre-recorded conversation between two people, and you have to listen that conversation by clicking on this play button, and you will be asked one questions regarding this, and you have given 4 options, and after listening that conversation you have to answer that questions and choose the correct option according to the conversation that has been done between them. So suppose the correct option is third, so you have to click on the third option and choose this. In this way your listening section has been completed. Now after that you will be moved to reading section. So in reading section again you will be given 16 questions that to be completed in 15 minutes. So in reading section generally you will get some passages, and you have to just read those passages, and according to that there is some questions and that to be answered. So you will be tested on understanding pronouns, vocabulary, and understanding the main ideas in reading section. That is after reading those passages, and so there are some questions given and you have to answer those questions. Okay, so after reading section you will now move to the speaking section. So in speaking section you will get total 8 questions that to be completed in 7 minutes. As one thing remember here is that all these 3 sections are MCQ based, but this section is not MCQ based. Generally you have to record your voices. Okay, and in speaking section you will be tested on oral reading ability, communicative effectiveness, topic development, grammar, pronunciation, fluency. Generally in speaking section you will be given some passages passages or paragraph, and you have to record your voice and by reading those paragraph, and that will check your grammar, pronunciation, how fluent you are. And also there are some HR questions which is pre-recorded that ask about like what you want to do after 5 years or something like that. You have to build that topic, and you have to record those answers, and after that your all the sections are completed. So after 24 hours you will get the full result, but after completing your assessment you will get the result of these 3 sections, but after 24 hours you will get this speaking result. Actually it is tested by some proctoring proctor that is available online, or some any other AI pre-recorded, don't know, but you will get this result after 24 hours. Okay, and also see here is that based on your performance that you had performed in the step plus assessment, you have received some feedback. See here that you had problems with conditional sentences, gerunds and infinitives. So this guy did not done well on this topic, that is gerunds and infinitives. So according to that he had received this feedback from them. And also you will get, yeah, you will get all the 4 sections feedback. Like in the speaking section, see that he did particularly well on part A, that is oral reading ability, but he had a problem with communicative effectiveness and topic development and fluency. So he had to keep this mind and perform well in the next examination, that to be done after the behavioral training. Actually this result is for mapping your behavioral session. So after this result you will be mapped to some behavioral training. You have to go through some behavioral training, and after behavioral training again this step plus assessment will be going on. So yeah, this is all about step plus assessment. I hope all your doubts will get cleared now, and if you face any difficulties or if you have any further queries regarding this step plus assessment, you can comment us in the comment box. And if you didn't on my Telegram, you can join my Telegram, link is in the description box. So thank you all. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.